sangat memerlukan action cam untuk buat my video capturing, my content creating, all these things lah.
Hey bros, HezHazrizal YouTube channel. Hari ni aku nak ajak sikit macam mana nak buat branding watermark seperti yang aku tunjuk. Okay, first of all you kena masuk ke you punya channel you. Kemudian you go to the atas sekali sebelah kanan and you click dekat situ untuk cari YouTube Studio. Okay, so dekat sini hanya ada YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, first kita go kepada kita punya YouTube Studio. Okay, so this YouTube Studio akan bagi all the information about your channel, and then you cari content Creator Studio Classic. Okay, so dekat Creator Studio Classic ni kita boleh explore more on where kita nak letak kita punya branding watermark. Okay, just click on others and put some remarks gitu. Aku letak others ya. Kemudian you click OK, and then this one akan brings you to the Creator Classic Studio. Okay, similar je dengan beta, tapi ini macam the old one lah. Okay, then you sebelah kiri itu you cari channel. Okay, you cari channel and then you click drop down button and you cari branding. Okay, so dekat branding ni bila you click, dia akan bawa you dekat branding watermark. Okay, dekat sini lah kita boleh add kita punya branding watermark tu. Okay, so now I can click on the add a watermark. Okay, and then dia ada beritahu lah kat sini jenis-jenis image yang kita boleh upload sebagai watermark. So best one is to choose yang without background, transparent lah. So this one either you want to put your face, you want to put the subscribe button, you want to put anything that is related to your channel. So for my case, in this tutorial I letak my face lah without background. So once you dah letak, you dah upload, you click OK, and then you akan dibawa ke sini lah. So display time, you ada 3 option. So the first option is to gunakan the end of the video. Okay, atau you nak bagi dia appear the whole video, atau you nak letakkan custom start time. So kalau dekat custom start time, you boleh choose the start time. In this case default is 5 second, tapi for myself I nak letak 15 second. So maksudnya selepas 15 second barulah kita punya bookmark branding watermark akan appear. So proceed with update, klik update tu, so dia akan savekan kita punya settings tu. Kemudian ambil masa sikit, depends on the internet connection masa tu. Okay, now I think dah apply, so maybe you need to wait for a few minutes before dia akan update. Click on one of your video and you boleh nampak that branding watermark appear on the lower right hand kat bawah tu. So dekat sini you boleh tengok you punya nama dan punya subscribe button. Okay, zoom in. Okay, so this is easier for the subscribers untuk click dan subscribe to your channel lah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please comment and subscribe to this channel. Kalau ada suggestion atau bagaimana, just let me know down below.